Hello, and in this video we'll be going over tangent. Now the formula for tangent is tan equals opposite over adjacent. And what that essentially means is from whatever angle you're looking from, so we'll name this A, B, and C. If you were to look from angle A, you would be looking at this would be the adjacent, and this would be the opposite. So whatever the side directly next to the angle you're looking from is the adjacent, and the one across is the opposite. So we'll now, still using A, we'll say AB is equal to 16 and BC is equal to 21. So now we have tan A is equal to opposite over adjacent, so 21 over 16, which gives us approximately 1.3125. And now, to find the angle of A, we bring the tangent over. And multiply it by 1.3125. And to get this tan -1 symbol right here, and which allows you to multiply this by the tangent ratio, on your calculator, it'll either say shift or alpha, or maybe it's just a button on your calculator. You press that, and then you input the numbers, or you input the numbers and then press the button. It's different for every calculator. But anyways, I'm going to do it now, and I get approximately 53 degrees. And you always round up, or you usually round up for angles. So 53 degrees. And that's how you find the angle of a right angle triangle using tangent. Now let's say that you have the angle for A, B, and C, but you want the side length of AC, or in this case we'll do little b. Now you would do tangent. Tan of 45 is equal to opposite over adjacent, and we'll say this side length here is 13. Now you have the unknown over the known, and you then cross multiply, so you would get 13 tangent 45 equals b. And you punch that into your calculator, and you get approximately 13. Or not approximately, exact, actually. So you get b equals 13. And then that's how you solve for the unknown side using tangent. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more math tutorials.